Welcome to the channel, guys. I want to believe you are doing very well out there. All right, I'm super excited to share this update from WeCat ecosystem with you. You know why I am excited? Why I am excited because of the fact that this update will give you an opportunity for you to make money from WeCat ecosystem, even when you are sleeping throughout your lifetime. Even if you are a WeCat holder or you are not, this opportunity will help you to make money even when you are sleeping. It's the most juicy update that I have ever come across in WeCat ecosystem. It's one important update that you need to pay close attention to, and at the same time, endeavor to share it to every other person. Just like I said, it's one of the biggest opportunities that Samapia have actually brought into the ecosystem for the community members and even people outside that are not community members to actually make money in WeCat ecosystem. So I'm just going to take you through this important update step by step. So please, if you want to get everything about this update, watch the video down to the very end. Don't skip anything. The last part of this video is the most important part of this video. So if you skip it or you don't watch the end, you're going to miss out on a lot of things. Before taking to my screen so that we can go to this update I'm talking about, please do me a favor and just click on that like button. This goes a long way to actually support the channel. At the same time, pushes the video to a lot of persons that are meant to see the video. And if you're watching me from YouTube and you're not part of us, you have been seeing our videos, or you are just seeing our video for the first time, please do me that favor and click on that subscribe button to be a part of us. This is the biggest support you can actually give us to encourage us to keep doing what we are doing. At the same time, if you're watching me from TikTok, you're not part of us, kindly follow us and also follow us on Twitter. On daily basis, we are always here to see how we can contribute our quota to help you make money in the space and to also guide you in our own little way. And trust me, if you're a part of us, you're not regret doing that at all. Welcome to the family in advance, and let's jump into my screen so that we can go through this step by step together. All right, I want to believe you can see my screen. Okay, let's start from here. We just crossed 200 million in total payouts on Remit since launch with a profit of 16 million. Now, it dropped this on the 25th of May, and Remit was launched on the 27th of April. So between 27th of April down to 25th of May, not up to 1 month. Now look at the profit that Remit has actually made for the ecosystem. So not even up to a month. This is the profit that Remit have actually, made for the community. Transaction reliability still remains at 99% with 8K user for Android and 2K for iOS. Look at the few numbers of people that are using this platform and look at the amount of profit this platform is making for the ecosystem. This tells you something. You now go ahead and say salaries for this month is over 35K dollars, approximately over 48 million naira. So it's good to see Remit chip in. That means Remit also contribute to the salary payments of this month. And now just imagine when we have hundreds of thousands of people that are using this platform. How much do you think that this platform is going to make to the ecosystem? Right? And remember, this is a global project, not just for Nigeria, not just for Africa. That means we can have millions of people using this project, using this app. And if that happens, how much will this app be making every month for the ecosystem? If you put that together, right, that's going to blow your mind, right? But the most important thing is that I want to show you how you can actually make money out of this profit that Remit is actually making on daily basis for this ecosystem. So please just stay with me. All right, so let's move on. So here he said we got added 1,500 holders over this week as it approaches 165,000 on-chain holders. Just take a look at this. Only in a week, just on 1 week, you now have additional 1,500 holders, new holders coming into the platform. So you can see, you that is selling and running away, you are creating room for people that understand what WeChat ecosystem is going to do in the future to come in. So you that is selling and you are running away, you're actually creating space for more people to actually come in and take your position. So now when they had and said, wealth holding will continue to be disintegrated as God tests every holders to filter out the believers. Right? Soon, all this accumulation will be over and the right up will begin. Soon, all this accumulation will be over and the time for the pump will start. This is the time for you to accumulate WeChat. I have always been saying this. If you look at WeChat ecosystem, WeChat is not a project that will be on hundreds of millions of dollars. It will hit billions. So if you are seeing it here at this market cap, I think it's about 36 million market cap right now. You are still at the ground level. You are very lucky to see it here because what this project is building is mind-blowing. All right. So it's not a time for you to jump out. It's a time for you to stay put and accumulate as much as you can. All right. So let's move on. Here he said, I should add that Penny Wallet made $10,000 this month. Penny Wallet made $10,000 this month. Approximately 14 million in profit. Remember, Remit made 16 million not up to a month. Then Penny Wallet here makes 14 million within a period of 1 month. And if you add that together, right, that's about 30 million. That's about 30 million or over 30 million within a period of 1 month. With the fact that we don't really have much people using this product and is making this amount for the ecosystem. This is mind-blowing. And the beauty of it, all right, is that you can actually make something out of this amount of money. That's the latest update from Samapi. I'm going to show you on this video. He now went ahead and said it will also chip into the 48 million naira salary. All right, that means salary for this month is 48 million. He said it's going to chip in. Okay, the feedback from test was very positive, with some people even questioning if we have to rebuild the wallet again. Now remember, he said that they want to take down Penny Wallet and rebuild another one, okay, from scratch, that will meet the world standard. That's exactly what he's doing, and testers are actually testing right now, and they're giving him positive feedback based on how the wallet looks like, right? Which I can't wait to see. So he went ahead and said all spam token disappeared, QR scanner working perfectly, that annoying transfer bug that refuses to show transfers on the chart gone. History showing a notification will come before updates on Friday. So amazing things are actually coming to the ecosystem, and I can't wait to see this wallet. All right, so let's move on. This is where I was coming to. He said the referral system coming to Penny Remit will allow you to earn more from the profits forever and ever. Guys, this is mind-blowing. Now, if you notice, if you check all the big projects that we have in this space, with their utilities and everything, they don't usually bring referral system. With the fact that Samapi is actually bringing this on board, shows how he cares for the community, shows how he wants to make sure that whatsoever is making in the ecosystem goes around to the people that are actually pushing the project, people that are actually part of the community, even people that are outside. And he said it's going to be forever and ever. That simply means if you have someone, right, that you refer under you, as long as the person is active doing transaction, right? You are making some percentage from the transaction that the person is making on daily basis. So just your family members that you bring into the system and your friends around you that you refer to transact to use that refer to use the product will give a whole lot of money. So it is one update that I'm actually looking out for. So on this note, I want to plead with you. Please, whenever the referral link is out, right? Use my one to register. We'll do a whole lot of things together based on this. We have to make money using this platform. So please use my own link. I'm beginning now to solicit. Use my own link to register. Okay? So that I can also make something from you. Now, if you think that this was good, let's head to the last part of this video. This one is mind-blowing. Let's take a look. It said here, marketing cannot start now on these products. Now take a look at the fact that he uses plural, this and products, right? That means not just one product. Are you getting this? Not just one product. There are a lot of products in the ecosystem that is going to make sure that it allows people to make money from the profit that comes from those products. We have a lot of it. Even some of them that are coming. You have the likes of Remit that will be making millions of dollars for the ecosystem. We have the likes of Penny Wallet with the new updated version that is coming, that is global standard. You know how much the wallet is going to be doing for the ecosystem, and you too can make money from it. We have the likes of Swag with Bread, which is another massive product, and I believe it's going to also allow people to make money from there as well, and many more that I can't even mention on this video. That tells you that with this ecosystem, you can make a whole lot of money for yourself. And I want you to start now to prepare yourself. I've started preparing already, right? And I want you to start now to start preparing yourself for what is coming. Trust me, you can make a whole lot of money from here. And remember, it's not just once, it's forever and ever. I want to really understand this. Let's continue. Because we are trying to achieve a solid form of the product with 100% reliability and functionality. Easy to use UI. UI simply means user interface. That's where you interact with on any app that you're using. All right, like Penny Remit, where you click on send, where you click on withdraw, and the rest of them. That is your UI. Okay. And good referral system. Did you hear this? Good referral system. It tells you that it's not going to just be anyhow referral system. It's going to be a good one that you can make a tangible amount of money from it. That means anyone that you have been able to refer is going to be like an asset for you. That's why I'm saying, please don't use another person's referral link. Let me also make money from you. I can't wait for this to actually, come to reality. Now say once we get there, you will start to see our product in millions of users' devices. Once we get there, we'll start to see, in fact, this man understands the game. Once we bring referral system into this platform, this product will go viral. And trust me, the direct effect of this will be on Wikicards. And you eventually see Wikicard pump like crazy. Outside other factors that could pump it, this one is another thing that's going to pump Wikicards. Right? So we are in for something massive. All right? So I just say, let me share this with you so that you can stay ready. Because I'm already prepared and ready. Okay? For what is coming. I want to see me and you make money from here. All right. Thanks so much for watching to this point. And what do you think about this? Drop it in the comment section. I want to also hear from you. If you are ready as well, please let me know in the comment section that you are ready. Okay? If you're going to use my referral link as well, you can also let me know as well. I'll be so happy to see that. So this is where I'm going to stop on this video. And please, if you are still here to like the video, can you do me that favor and click on that like button? If you're watching me from YouTube and you're not part of us, you have been seeing our videos or you're just seeing our video for the first time, please kindly click on that subscribe button to be part of us. And trust me, if you're part of us, you'll not regret doing that at all. Welcome to the family in advance. And thanks for being part of us. Bye-bye.